Spoken English, the gateway to a world of opportunities, connections and influences. Are you a candidate for SSC or Dakhil exam of 2024? Do you want to speak English with confidently and fluently? If so, this course is designed for you. Hi there, this is Farhad Hussain. Today, I'm going to share you an extraordinary journey of knowledge, faith and personal growth. Well, look out for being able to articulate your thoughts with clarity and conviction, to captivate your audiences with your words, to connect with the people from all over the world. That's the power of spoken English, and it's within your reach. Our renowned institution, Prime English Academy, offers a spoken English course like no other. It's not just about memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. It's about finding your voice. It's about embracing the melody and the rhythm of the language. It's about learning to speak English with confidence and poise, to captivate your audiences with your words. Join us on this transformative journey and unlock the full potential of your communication skills. Whether you are a student looking to excel in your studies, a professional aiming to advance in your career, or simply someone who wants to speak English with impact and influence. So, this course is undoubtedly blueprinted for you. So, as you embark on this exciting journey of mastering spoken English course at Prime English Academy, bring to mind that it's not just a course, it's an opportunity to transform the way you connect with the world. Embrace it, immerse yourself with it, and let it become a part of you, who you are. Because when you truly master the art of spoken English course, you are not just speaking words, you are shaping your experiences. So, are you ready to speak up, stand out, and make your voice heard? Cool. Buckle up for this program and let your words become the catalyst for your future success. I wish you all the best on this exciting journey. So finally, speak up, speak out, and let your words be the voice of your dreams and ambitions. Thanks for watching.